everybody. Welcome to Live from the Red Carpet on E! We are so thrilled to be here. And a big thank you to Olay for presenting the show. Now, this promises to be a very glamorous, very fun red carpet. Pretty much every major music superstar on the planet is going to be here. And the winners are chosen by fans, by the fan vote. So it will be very interesting to see who goes home a winner tonight. With us right off the bat, we go very big here on E! One Direction is joining me now. What's up, One Direction? How are you?
We're good.
Okay, you guys are very stylish tonight, very coordinated. Do you have a stylist who helps put everything together?
Yeah, we do have a stylist. Very good. Her name's Caroline. Thanks.
Caroline. I love it. Now, when you showed up just minutes ago, okay, I've never seen anything like this, and I've hosted red carpets for 11 years. The fence over there started shaking like this. The police were called, and they were pushing the fence back. I mean, do you ever get used to this, or does it make you a little nervous? How does it feel?
I don't think you get used to it. It's amazing. Our fans are, they always surprise us with everything. They've been incredible for us for 3 years, and the fact that we're not from here and they're so amazing is amazing. So, massive thank you to them.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how does it feel being at your first AMAs? Is that right? How does it feel being here tonight?
It's amazing. It's an honor to be here. We know how much of a prestigious, ceremony it is. So we're just honored to be here, and hopefully we can put on a good performance tonight.
Now, I have a question. You guys are so super famous right now. Is there anything you wish you had done before you got so famous that maybe you can't do anymore, that you wish you could have done, or that you just wish you could do?
I wish I finished school. I never got to finish school.
You never got to finish school?
A bit late now. But I never got to do my last exam, so...
No.
But it's sad though. Yeah.
What about you?
I think I'd have gone to more theme parks. It's easier to get around with.
More theme park.
I don't know. I'm not sure,
You can't think of it?
No, no.
You're pretty much doing it all anyway?
Well, no, I don't know. I'm not sure what I would have done.
Yeah. We got to think about that. Tweet me. Tweet me the answer. Now, guys, if you could get an Instagram picture with anyone here tonight, because this show is big tonight. Huge stars are going to be here. Who would you want?
You.
Okay, besides me, come on. We'll do ours later. He's good. This guy's good.
I don't know. JT.
JT?
Justin Timberlake would be pretty sick. Come back to me.
Come back to you.
R. Kelly's here.
Gaga, that's a good one. I heard her outfit's pretty outrageous
R.
tonight.
Kelly here tonight.
Yes, R. Kelly's here. Okay.
Has to be JT, doesn't it?
He's a legend.
That's a good one, right?
Is Jason Kennedy here? Is it?
Jason Kennedy's at it. Oh, he was your first choice. That was very sweet. Now, what does the after party look like today? Where are you guys headed tonight after this?
We haven't really thought about it. For one, well, only one of us is old enough to get in most places, so that's going to be an issue.
That's true.
I'm just going to go to bed, I think.
You're going to go to bed?
We're going to sneak in.
Really?
That's what we're going to do.
Just going to have a quiet one.
Have a quiet one.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much. It was so nice seeing you. Hi, Jason. Since you're playing Jason Kennedy, will you toss to Terrence?
Okay, Terrence, roll tape, bro.
Our good friend